In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Canva. Whether you're working on a design for a project or just exploring your creativity, knowing how to properly format your text can make a big difference in the overall presentation. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can enhance your Canva skills. First, let's start by heading over to Canva. Open your browser, type in canva.com, and log into your account if you're not already logged in. Now, if you haven't created an account yet, don't worry. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, we're ready to begin our design journey. Next, you'll want to create a new canvas. You can choose any size you prefer, but for demonstration purposes, let's use a 1080 by 1080 pixel canvas, a versatile size that's often used for social media posts. Once your canvas is set up, look for the Create a Design button and select Custom Size to enter these dimensions. Now it's time to add some text to our canvas. Navigate to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a menu with various options. Click on Text. Here you can choose between adding a heading, a subheading, or body text. For our demonstration, let's use body text since it's well suited for longer paragraphs that are ideal for justifying. Once you've selected body text, simply click on it to add it to your canvas. Now you can paste in the long text that you want to justify. If you already have some text prepared, just copy it from your source and paste it into the text box on your canvas. If not, feel free to type directly into the text box. At this point, you might need to adjust the width and height of your text box to ensure it fits the text nicely. You can do this by clicking on the text box and dragging the corners or sides to resize it as needed. Finding the right fit will help ensure a clean and professional look once the text is justified. Now let's get to the main part, justifying the text. Select the text box by clicking on it. Once highlighted, look for the floating toolbar just above your canvas. In this toolbar, find the alignment option. Click on this and it will cycle through different text alignment options. Keep clicking until you've found the justify symbol. It's represented by 4 identical straight lines. And there you have it. Your text is now justified, providing a neat professional look to your design. Remember, justifying text is great for aligning words evenly on both sides, creating clean margins. It's especially useful in professional documents or when you want to achieve a polished appearance. I hope this detailed walkthrough has helped you understand how to justify text in Canva. Keep experimenting and enjoy designing.